you know me, you know that in the last few months I had 100% returns per month from scalping, and my strategy is basically an RSI strategy. And you don't have to take more word for it. You want to backtest this information. This video is by no means financial advice, but just want to show you why relative strength index or RSI alone doesn't work. It does work. It's a very strong indicator. It's a strong indicator in my opinion, but just alone it doesn't work. Let me show you why very quickly. Just analyzing it through the Bitcoin price, how you could lose all your money if you just followed the RSI indicator during this dump. If we actually open up the Bitcoin chart, you can see that the RSI indicator showed the buy signal a few times here. For example, here, here, and here, and was always wrong. So it begs the question, do you want to use RSI alone to do your decisions? Do you want to use RSI's biddings? You probably don't. So we'll go over it within the video. Before we start, if you appreciate this information, just hit the like button, really helps out. Subscribe. I'm at 50k subscribers nearly. You help out. The TV just switched off. Should switch it on. As you can see my subscribers, but yeah, definitely will help out, and you learn a lot of new things in my opinion if you watch my video. So what can you pair it with? How do you get the RSI indicator to work? Because it clearly doesn't. If you bought here, you would lose a lot of money, a huge amount of money. Very, very quick fix. There's a lot of things you can use. I use Fu or Market Cipher. I use the cumulative delta index. I use volume divergences, which would show you that you shouldn't be buying here because it was a huge sell compared to the other ones. You need that divergence that we're seeing right now. So the main way you can figure out your RSI strategy that I use is first check out different time frames. You can check the weekly or 4-hour time frame for a confirmation. This is the first thing you can do. The second thing you want to do is see an RSI divergence, meaning RSI going up. Here all the tops are going down, so you're not buying here. Maybe here, if we print something like this in dumps, you'll buy here based on just RSI. So you want to see a divergence. Here it was broken. If we draw a line right here on the RSI, from here to here, you can see the RSI divergence breaking here and the price jumping from 36k to a higher price. We still have some RSI divergence right now that we are looking for. Forward to breaking. This might be the break of the divergence. You never know. And the second thing you can look for, which is very strong, again, our RSI divergence right here before the break. The second thing you can look for is actually very, very strong, and that's support levels. We were talking about that a lot last year in July. This was a support area. We were wondering if it was going to be a head and shoulders pattern. Moving to the downside, we had this support level here, breakout to support right here, with resistance here, which was resistance to support. We broke out of it here, and this is the next area where we want to buy it, either here if it gets a divergence, which it is getting right now, or down below. So RSI alone doesn't work. Pair it with volume or lower time frames, plus support and resistance. See you in this video. Bye.